I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the car safe and accessible. First, place the vehicle in park, follow the Tesla power-down steps, or disconnect the 12V battery, and wait 2 minutes so electronics sleep. Next, remove cargo and lift the trunk liner while keeping interior lighting off to avoid system wake. Use Torx T20/T25 and plastic trim tools to peel back the liner. Focus on the camera housing and its electrical harness. Once exposed, take photos of connector orientation, so reassembly is straightforward. You now tackle the delicate replacement. First, depress the connector latch and slide the plug straight out. This prevents bent pins. Then, remove mounting screws and ease the camera from its bracket. Avoid touching the lens and flex cables. Compare the old and new modules. Matching connector pins, bracket tabs, and gasket condition matter. Install the replacement with its gasket seated, route the cable exactly as it was, and hand tighten screws. Over-torquing can crack plastic, so use modest force and confirm alignment before reconnecting. You finish by restoring power and validating operation. Reconnect the 12V battery or exit Tesla sleep, close the trunk, and perform a reboot from the touchscreen to refresh camera modules. Shift into reverse and inspect the image for clarity, alignment, and any warning message. If the feed is black or distorted, make sure the connector is fully seated, pins are straight, and ground continuity is solid. Perform another reboot. If issues persist, try a known good camera or contact service. Intermittent errors often point to loose pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.